Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 13, Data Dictionary Views. This chapter is divided into 6 lessons: Data Dictionary Overview, Data Dictionary Views Objects Information, Data Dictionary Views Tables Information, Data Dictionary Views Columns Information, Data Dictionary Views Constraints Information, and last lesson, Data Dictionary Views Comments. In the first lesson we are going to take an overview about Oracle Data Dictionary. So what is Oracle Data Dictionary? Oracle Data Dictionary is one of the most important components of the Oracle database. Oracle Data Dictionary is a set of tables created and maintained by the Oracle database server and contains information about the database. It's created automatically during the creation of the database and also maintained automatically by the Oracle database server. Oracle Data Dictionary, it's called also data about data. It provides information about the structures and objects of the database, like tables, indexes, views, synonyms, functions, procedures, and so on. The data dictionary is structured as 2 parts: Oracle Data Dictionary Tables and Oracle Data Dictionary Views. Oracle Data Dictionary Tables rarely accessed directly, while Oracle Data Dictionary Views decode the base tables data into useful information. If you look at your database contains 2 table categories: business tables and data dictionary tables. Business tables, like employees table, like department table, like locations table, regions tables, these tables store business data or application data, while data dictionary tables store information about the business tables. For example, if you create a table called employees table, the size of the table, the columns of the table, this information stored in the data dictionary tables. Oracle Data Dictionary tables are built-in tables created automatically during the creation of the database, while business tables created by the end user or by the DBA or by the application developer. So as we said before, Oracle Data Dictionary is structured as data dictionary tables and data dictionary views. Data dictionary tables are rarely used directly, while Oracle Data Dictionary views decode the information stored in Oracle Data Dictionary tables into useful information. Most of Oracle Data Dictionary views started with either user underscore, all underscore, or DBA underscore. For example, there is a data dictionary view called user underscore tables. User underscore tables stores information about the tables that you own. All underscore tables store information about the tables that you own, plus the table that you can access. DBA underscore tables data dictionary view stores information about all tables in the database, regardless who is the owner of the table. There is also user underscore indexes, all underscore indexes, DBA underscore indexes. User underscore indexes stores information about the indexes that you own. All underscore indexes stores information about the indexes that you own and the indexes that you can access. DBA underscore indexes stores information about all indexes in the database. So most of the data dictionary views started with either user underscore as a prefix, all underscore, or DBA underscore. There is also a set of views prefixed with $sign. These views are not data dictionary views. These views called performance views or dynamic performance views. These views store information about the performance of the database, while Oracle Data Dictionary views store information about the structures and objects inside the database. So in this lesson, we take an overview about Oracle Data Dictionary and Oracle Data Dictionary views. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.